Oh, it was Austin with DS Diving. Had a bit of a camera issue down there. Finally got the camera back on. Didn't get it finished up. I'm at Make Home a Wave. Sorry about that. The boat Home a Wave. It's July 27th, 2023. But I did get your waterline, and I went ahead, did the muriatic acid on it twice, got all the algae. Actually pretty proud of this waterline. All the barnacles all the way down. But we'll get you a full video after it's completely cleaned and all that good stuff. But I just wanted you to see the waterline before any algae came back right now. Sorry once again about that camera problem. I'll get that figured out, and we will go from there. All right, once I get it all cleaned up, I'll get you the full after video. Thank you very much.